Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's videos, we'll see what AuthVaultix Global Variables are and how you can use them in your application. Global variables are simple values that are stored on the server and your application fetch them in a real time. This means you can change your application's behavior without updating the software. For example, you can turn a feature on or off, so a custom message to use or enable a maintenance mode. Now let's see how to create them. First, log in into the dashboard, then select your application. After that, open the global variable section and click on new variable. Enter the variable name and value, then click create. That's it. Your global variable is ready. Now let's talk about how to use it in your application. Once you initialize and log into the AuthVaultix system in your app, you can fetch the value of the global variable. For example, this using a pre-made example, and also write some codes manually that will give update related information. This code checks the app version, get global var version, fetches the version. If it's not 1.0, the app shown as update message and close. Get global var status shown as a status message. If no value is found, is shown fallback. When you fetch it, the message you set in the variable will be shown when the app opens, and you can update the message anytime directly from the AuthVaultix dashboard. This changes is instantly applied to all users. You can use this for version control alerts or managing any setting remotely. So if you want to control your app remotely, global variables are a very useful feature. You can start using AuthVaultix today by visiting authvaultix.com. Download the SDK, integrate it into your app and secure your software in a minute. If you have any problem, you can use a built-in support chat on our website or join a Discord server or direct help from the team. Thanks for watching.